So guys, for the first step, you're going to head it with search and type in View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, under Performance, you're going to click on Settings. And now you're going to click on Advanced. And now you're going to click on Change. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you're going to untick this box right here. And now you're going to select Custom Size. You want to make the initial size 4096. And you want to make the maximum size 8192. And then click on Set. And then click on OK. And then click on OK again. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you need to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in SFC /scan now and then click on Enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on Enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete that final scan, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.